Yo guys, before we start this video, make sure you hit that subscribe button and also turn on post notification and make sure to drop a like on every single video. Yo guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your boy Tanem School and I'm back with another bang. In today's video, I'm going to be reviewing the Glow Gang fleece and tracksuits. So if you don't know what the Glow Gang is, it's Chief Keef's brand basically. His brand and record label, Glow Gang Entertainment. So he's got his own merch, his own everything. And if you don't know who Chief Keef is the one and only man who brought the trap music to the forefront. He's the one who brought the streets into music and made it what it is today. Trap, drill, everything. He's the father, the godfather of that. Straight from Chicago. You know what I'm saying? He was the man. He's still the man. He's the GOAT. You know what I mean? If you don't know, he made a couple bangers like bitches that say no. I don't like snitch nigga, that's the shit I don't like. There's so many songs, man. The good old days, man. But yeah, most of the teenagers nowadays, they probably don't know about him, but trust me, when I was a teenager, trust me, I used to bang it out. But yeah, without too much talking, let's get into this review. So the parcel just came this morning, you know what I'm saying? I was going somewhere and I intercepted my man, you know what I'm saying? So it's here. I've already slightly opened it. Boom. That's the fleece. Right here, it's already looking beautiful. And I guess those are the bottoms. Can you see the logo? Yes, sir. Glow Gang, nigga. What is it looking at? So yeah, I'm gonna try on the top first so that you guys can see. So yeah, this looks too fire, man. Come on, fam. Are you mad? Are you mad? It's got the Glow Gang at the back. Oh my days, are you mad, fam? It's got Glow Gang on it, it's got flags. Hey, that's some real gang shit. No, that's the proper thing. That's me. Yeah. Now let me put it on. This literally is the shit. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, let me go in front of the mirror so that you guys can see it. And I'll put the trousers on too. Nah, this is the shit. No cap. No cap. No cap. So basically this is what it looks like. See? I'm not gonna lie, yeah. I like it, you know. Let me show you something. I don't know if you can see, but at the back there's a Glow Gang logo. So really it bangs. See that? See the Glow Gang? See the Glow Gang logo? Yeah. And first when I tried the trousers on, I thought it was a bit tight, but it's the right size. This actually, hey, this is wavy, you know. No cap. Nah, I'm definitely wearing this. to uni on Monday. Therefore, okay. Yeah. Glow gang. Hey guys, I would definitely recommend you this whole outfit, you know what I mean? Because trust me, it's worth it. Like, now that I got it on, I'm not gonna lie, I feel gassed. Like, this is another level of drip. There's drip and there's super glow gang drip, you know what I'm saying? That's the super glow gang drip, literally. So yeah, make sure you like, subscribe, share, and I'm out. Obviously, I forgot to tell you, but this actually keeps you warm. It does keep you warm, you know what I mean? Make sure you like, subscribe, and share, and I'm out.